All right, we're heading upstairs on this part of the video. So I'm going to turn around and go straight upstairs. And just kind of show you where you came from. And then there's a sitting room straight ahead with some beautiful stained glass right there. We're going to peek in here first. Here's the first bedroom on the right-hand side, a very large bedroom with a fireplace and also with a closet there. Going to go down so you can see the floors, original floors. Much of these are original. Gorgeous floors. There's a storage closet right here on the right. Quite a bit of room in there. There is a fold-down ladder to get to the attic area, and that's where most of the damage was. This was actually done by the firemen to put out the fire. They cut those boards, but you can see those boards are in good shape. It's up above in the top. That's where the damage and the heat all went. You can maybe see a little bit there where they poked a hole through the ceiling to try to put out the fire. This stained glass is great. That right there is the only broken piece. And again, I wonder if that might have been fireman damage. I'm not sure. This is a crazy, nice master bedroom closet. Yes, this is a closet. It is huge. So here is built-in custom cabinetry all the way around. Cedar lined closet there. Drywall damage, basically the new drywall fell down. It's been cleaned up there. But this cabinetry is really, really killer. I think I mentioned it, but there's another fireplace. I'm going to turn around, kind of give you a pan over that room as we walk out. All right, this is your master bedroom. Of course, we wouldn't start the tour without, a fireplace. There we go. Cedar lined closet there. And this demarks the new portion of the building right here. You see this line where these columns are. So, master bedroom here, very large. Got a huge two-person jacuzzi tub there. New windows here, of course. Nice tile flooring. You can see some smoke and dust and so forth in here. But a huge shower over there, as well as this big soaking tub. And your restroom. And your toilet room is right in here. And the full shot of the shower. There we go. Show you the floors. Like my red tennis shoes. All right. Again, heading counterclockwise. Exit here and go to our right. Just give you a reference. There's going to be a bath there, a bedroom, and back down to the stairwell. But it's pretty dark. This room you can't see as well because the window is boarded up, but this could be used, I believe, as it has a fireplace, of course, as like an office or something. And through there, I can't turn on the camera during the video, is your laundry room. So laundry room and storage straight ahead. We're going to come back out, go into another bedroom. This was used as an office, but it has a fireplace and a closet. This is probably the messiest room, just because we have not gotten to cleaning this one yet. And a lot of the doors are original. They're very, very old. Going to take a look here. Is our bathroom on this floor. Totally remodeled in 2003. Really neat tile job there. All right, there we go. And just a quick view out. You can see the lake from the restroom right here. All right, guys. Well, this is a quick tour of the upstairs of the Frank Dawn property. I'm going to walk down the stairs again just so you can see. And we're going to walk right outside. So hopefully this helps out-of-town folks and so forth. get to see the home and learn a little bit more about it. It is a beautiful classic old home, and I think it would make a great fixer-upper for some folks. If you have any questions, of course, my name is Sean Wilmoth, Realtor Extraordinaire, as I say. We appreciate you watching this video, and if you have anything in the future that you are interested in seeing, please let me know, including this house. But again, enjoy your day. Oh, look, there's some guys out there fishing. 2 different boats. This is a great little cove, apparently. Have a great day. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.